Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build an island in Build a City community town. To buy an island, click on the map icon, and here are all of the islands I have currently available to buy. You can see that there are more under these clouds and they are gonna be unlocked as my levels go up. You can see that I already have Icy Island and Pretty Pasture. I can buy more islands with these locks by clicking on them, and then you can buy it instantly for the gold or for the cash and wait a certain amount of time. But you can see that to unlock this island I need to activate airport on Pretty Pasture Island. You have different islands here. Here I need to unlock Add Atoll, and here I need to unlock Cruise Ship so I can drive to these places, and they all have different prices for them. They can also show you which type of grounds they have. You can see that Add Atoll has 55% of this ground type and 35% of water ground type. To go to your island, click on the island you want to move to now. And now I'm on my island. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.